Here we go, let's do it. Right, I need a bow. That's
They just fell right out. How is that possible?
Alright, you ready? Got that. Alright, hold both. Let's see. Okay, does that look good to y'all?
No, it's not in the quarter.
Huh?
Not in the quarter.
It's not on the quarter? We need it on the quarter.
There's a quarter.
Right, now, that means we're going to have to, let's move this log over a little bit. Move it back a little bit because this thing's sticking out too much. Alright.
This man's turning it.
How's that? That look good? Straight up and down?
Yep.
Yeah. Alright, let me get set up and then we'll rock and roll.
I think that horizontal.
Alright, let's go ahead and spin, boys. Go ahead and give it some. Go ahead. Start pulling. Use the whole string, James. Use the whole string. There you go. Come on. Getting too
You're
close
not keeping
up
it
here.
horizontal.
That's alright. Y'all just start working it. Go.
I'm wanting you to pull, man.
We're still getting some smoke. We got to fill up that notch and watch it. Looks like we're getting some dust in there. That charred dust will spontaneously combust at a certain temperature, but it's not hot enough yet. Okay, we got it full. Let's go ahead and crank it up. Y'all go ahead and spin that thing. Keep it horizontal, spin it faster. Come on. Spin it faster. Use the whole string. Use long strokes. Long strokes. Alright, stop.
That's a lot of dust.
I'm not sure if we got one or not. I don't think we do. Let's go ahead and give it some more. We're close. Come on, spin it.
Well, bring it down a little bit.
We might have one, boys. Let's see. Looks like we do. I thought we did, but I was going to give it a little insurance. Okay. Y'all see this thing smoking on its own? That means that all of this charred dust right here, y'all brought the temperature up to probably around 800 degrees, spinning that thing with friction. And so what's happened now is we've got us a coal that will sit there and melt all of that char dust together. Excellent job. Nicely done. Okay, y'all just set your bow down. And we're going to reposition the camera and let y'all blow this thing into flame. So this thing will sit here and smolder for a while. So what do we need now to actually get a fire?
Blow.
And that's going to create a fire? What's the fire's meal plan?
Oxygen.
Now the meal plan.
The meal plan?
Not the 3 elements that you need.
The meal plan is what? Breakfast, lunch, and dinner?
Yeah, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Well, we need to feed this thing some breakfast. Come on, let's get some out of that bag right there.
Oh.
Yes. All right, you got a bird nest made there?
Yep.
All right, bring it over here. Let's transfer this ember into there. Kind of stuff it down in there like that. All right, you ready? Now both of y'all are going to take turns blowing on this thing since you both did it. All right, let me have it. We're going to turn it over like that. Put it down in there. Okay, now hold it around here. Kind of swaddle it up. All right. Long, deep breaths. Blow it. Hey, a little bit harder. You can see the fire start in there. Longer, harder. Blow a little harder. Get some air to it. There you go. All right, give James a chance. Let him blow.
It's about there.
Yes, you are.
James gonna start it.
I think you got it, guys.
There you go.
Excellent. You got fire? Which way does fire eat? Up or down?
Up.
Well, then turn that tinder bundle over. Turn it over. Turn it over. Just rotate it.
Rotate it. I can't. Rotate it.
Come and put it in the fire pit. Excellent. Nicely done.
All I was just burnt my shoe.
Nice. Nicely done. First friction fire of the year.
I burnt my finger.
Did you really?
Yeah.
You'll live.
It hurt, but it was so good.
Excellent. Good job. Again.
Good job, bud.